I'm Christina with Tinagirl Travels. I'm really excited about this new bag I just bought for an up-and-coming trip my husband and I are taking. This is the Pacsafe Vibe 20. 20 being a 20-liter bag. This bag is pretty much packed full right now, and I'm going to show you just how much stuff I've got in here. This pack has two compartments, the big back compartment and then the front compartment. So starting with the front, there's a little mesh area here, and I have a zippered compartment, and I have my sunglasses that I always lose, so that's perfect. There's even a little pen slot up front here. Never leave home without a pen when you're traveling. There's a zippered section here with a little key ring, key clip, and I've got my passports in there. This pocket full of chocolate goes all the way down to the bottom. I have my Rick Steves travel books, can't leave home without those. And in the back section, I've got my camera, my wallet, a coat or two, and I've got my iPad and my travel itinerary butane. All the details. This pack also has the Exo Mesh Slash Guard built into it so that people can't slash it. It's got carry safe slash guard straps, which means it's got wires in here so that people can't cut through those. It's also RFID safe. This bag also has a little slot here for a water bottle, like if you carry one of those Camelback water packs. It's also got cup holders on the side, which is awesome. And I'm going to show you a little close-up of the zipper portion of this backpack. Okay, the reason I actually bought this backpack was because of the zippers. The zippers are have an interlocking system. So you slide it in like that, and the zippers fit together. And so do these ones. And then what you do is you slide them onto this little rhubarb sport locking system. And you slide this little piece over. And it locks them in place. And that's pretty good just like that. But they've gone one step further. And they've put a little click mechanism in there. So those aren't going to come off very easily. If you need to, you can also put a lock through this little hole right here. Fits perfectly. The other thing that I want to show you is this pop and lock security system. What you do is you press this button. The black part is attached to this silver part. You push the button and it slides out. That way you can wrap your strap around the chair at a restaurant, or maybe around a park bench, or if you're traveling on a train, you can strap it to something in the train and nobody can run off with your bag. So that snaps back in place, and you turn it, and now it's locked. You can also put a lock right through here. So this is the Pacsafe Vibe 20. I hope you liked my demonstration, and please remember to like and subscribe.